Dear compatriots, Happy New Year to you all. This is a year of promise. The year when the passion of the youth of Nigeria will probably enable them to reclaim their country. Look at the troubles we have gone through this last few years. Economy in bad shape, 2 recessions in 6 years. Poverty capital of the world. Insecurity everywhere. They said they were coming to clean up, sweep away problems. We ended up with more problems. So let's learn that the broom can be broken. Let's recognize that the umbrella is leaking. Let's turn to people, those that really matter. Mama, Papa, Pikin. A new labor will enable us to reclaim our country, get a demographic dividend from our youth bulge, and restore Nigeria's dignity in the world. Happy 2023. Vote Labour, vote Peter Obi and Datti Baba Ahmed, and Nigeria will rise up again.